Forget the rest of the toys. She got a lizard.
So, was she asking for one of these?
She's an animal kid, and when she came up here, she's got frogs and tadpoles and stuff like that. But she's seen Drew's lizards, and she just wanted one so bad.
Oh my gosh, what a great
That is just a dream come true.
You should have told me they're going to give it to her, and I kept taking pictures.
I know. We didn't know that when it was coming, or else he'd have still been filming it. That was great. I can take it home.
Joey, do you like that lizard?
Okay, I'll show
You're not getting one.
Can I see it, Lance?
It's the same one as his.
Is it?
See? But it's different color.
Oh my
The other one
goodness.
is brown.
Well, you know what? If you put him on something brown, he'll turn that color too.
Well, he's just a baby.
He's kind of a big boy. He is. Do you know what? When
Oh, I'm sorry to
Mama
see
was
it.
growing up in Florida, show Papa your lizard. We used to have these all the time, and they would sneak in the house. Isn't he cute?
They were bigger. So you,
That's about as big as they get.
look, see, Papa?
Very nice.
Don't hold him too long. That's great, Lindsay.
Yeah, it's like his.
You're lucky.
Ooh, look at it. It's like his. It's the same one as that.
Has she got another pet for her pet shop
I'm
collection?
gonna name it Lizard.
Lizard the Lizard. That's a great name. What's its name? Lizard. Oh. Straight to the point.
No messing around.
Are you afraid of it though?
Nope.
It looks a little scary to me.
Oh, I know what a good name. Kizzer.
Kids.
Lizard. Lizard the Lizard. Look at that.
That's a good name. What about birthday? I like it. I really wanted one.
You got one.
I really wanted one very
That was the best thing she's ever had in her life.
That's the best reaction we ever got. Is it going to be all right in that small thing? Yeah. Oh, there's little air holes. I should have brought one of my old ones. We have those little lizards, or
the little
hermit crab things. I should call Joe.
Lizard? That's a great name.
Liz.
Liz. Hey Maggie, I'm gonna.
Lizzie the lizard.
I've never seen her react. Lindsay the lizard. That's a good name too.
You should name it.
I love it. I wish I had one.
Stretch.
Stretch. That's
Careful for the cup.